The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Deep-fried tofu stays silky inside, but crisp outside, simmering in a clay pot with pork, mushrooms, and crunchy vegetables. Mashed preserved soybeans create a deep, fermented umami that defines the Malaysian version. Steaming under a lid, the ingredients become tender and aromatic, glistening in a thickened sauce. Ringed with fresh flowering wholesome, this wholesome, satisfying meal is a vibrant contrast of textures and flavors, perfectly served over steaming rice. For the bean curd and aromatics, soft bean curd, 4 square pieces, as desired. Dried Chinese mushrooms, 5, soaked to soften, as desired. Red chillies, 2, as desired. Cooking oil for deep frying, as desired. Ginger, 1 cm knob, sliced, as desired. Garlic, 2 cloves, chopped, as desired. Preserved soybeans, 1 tablespoon, mashed, as desired, for the meat and vegetables. Pork, 1/5 sliced, as desired. Bamboo shoot, 1/2 cup, sliced, as desired. Carrot, 1 small, sliced, as desired. Flowering cabbage town, 6 stalks, plucked to 5 cm lengths, as desired. Water, 1 cup, mixed with 1/2 tablespoon cooking oil, as desired. For the gravy. Stock, 1 cup, as desired. Light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons, as desired. Dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons, as desired. Sesame oil, 1 teaspoon, as desired. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Sugar, 1/4 teaspoon, as desired. Pepper, a good shake, as desired. Tapioca flour, 1/2 teaspoon, blended with 2 teaspoons water, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Prepare the bean curd, mushrooms, and chilies. Wash the soft bean curd and cut each square piece diagonally into 8 triangular pieces. Halve the soaked mushrooms. Remove the seeds from the chilies and cut each one diagonally into 6 8 pieces. Mix the gravy. In a bowl or measuring jug, mix the gravy ingredients, add the light and dark soy sauces, oyster sauce, sesame oil, salt, sugar, and a good shake of pepper to the stock. Stir well and set aside, giving it another stir just before use. 3. Prepare the meat and vegetables. Slice the pork thinly. Slice the bamboo shoot and the small carrot. Pluck the flowering cabbage into 5 cm lengths. Blend the tapioca flour with 2 teaspoons of water to make a smooth, thickening mixture. Cooking steps to 4. Deep fry the bean curd. Heat cooking oil in a wok or deep pan and fry the bean curd triangles until golden brown. Remove with a slotted spoon, drain well on a strainer lined with kitchen towel, and keep aside. Fry the aromatics and fillings in the clay pot. In a clay pot, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and brown the ginger slices and chopped garlic. Add the mashed preserved soybean paste and fry for 2 minutes. Then add the sliced pork, bamboo shoot, mushrooms, carrot, and chili and fry together for another 2 minutes. 6. Simmer with the gravy. Add the fried bean curd pieces and the gravy mixture to the clay pot. Cover the pot and let the contents simmer for 10 minutes so the bean curd soaks up the flavor of the sauce. 7. Blanch the flowering cabbage. While the clay pot simmers, boil the water and oil mixture in a pan. When it boils, put in the flowering cabbage, cover and cook for 1 minute until the greens are just cooked. Drain well. 8. Thicken and serve. Thicken the gravy in the clay pot by stirring in the tapioca flour mixture. Season to taste, then arrange the flowering cabbage all around the top of the dish. Sprinkle with a little pepper and serve piping hot in the clay pot with steamed white rice.